I mean, that's how many feet of, it's like 2 feet of snow and half a foot of ice.
Make sure you get the video for the whole entire report of snow coming down on my head.
Oh, it's not going to, because the roof is so shallow over here that it couldn't hardly go anywhere. Oh no, don't throw the shovel up there. I mean, it never once occurred to me that the snow would melt underneath the... Oh, dear. Oh, no. Okay, don't get angry at it. You're
not angry.
me. Oh, man. Because 2 weeks ago it was icy, and I got so pissed at the ice. I was throwing a tantrum on the ice. Oh, well, I mean, we can try and get that wire that they have to put on the roof.
Yeah, that's the next year.